Hello students, good morning. Now today we start our lesson number 6, The Two Gentlemen of Verona from our workbook. So here first you see the first question is vocabulary. Learn with the help of a good dictionary by the different uses and the meanings of the following. So foot, all of you know the lower part of the body. My foot, on one's own feet, to have one foot in the grave, footer and footin. So you have to use all these words in your sentences. Now go to the second one. Use the following correctly in sentence of your own. So here the first word is shabby and the meaning of that word is threadbare and mean. Pleasant, delightful. Uniform, having always the same from or constant. Dress, to provide oneself with clothes. War, a contest between nations or fighting. Battle, a fight or to struggle. Sheet, a flat piece of any thin material. And road, a public passage. Now here you see this one is the listening skill. Now this is the bamboo house. Here there are some information is given to you, and with the help of these information you have to answer the following question. So here vacating rooms are to be vacated by noon on the day of departure. Please leave your keys with the reception when you go out. So these are the instructions what you do in the bamboo house. Now checks, we regret we cannot accept checks. We do however accept travelers checks. Foreign patrons must produce their passports and pay in foreign currency. Sightseeing tours, excursions into the sanctuary are arranged by the hotel. Buses will leave from the hotel lobby at 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 10:30 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. Charges are adults rupees 150, children rupees 50 per head, and your room is rupees 300 per day. Here this includes early morning tea, coffee and a newspaper, and all meals have to be paid for. So extra beds will be provided for children on request, rupees 75 per head. So here there are some questions like what are the charges for the rooms? So what are the charges? The rooms charges are 150 for adults, 50 for children and 300 for your room per day. So what do the charges included? This includes early morning tea or coffee and a newspaper, and extra bed will be provided for children on request, rupees 75 per head. Third question, who will arrange for the excursions into the sanctuary? So you read here, excursions into the sanctuary are arranged by the hotels. Fourth question, what notice is meant only for the foreigners staying in the hotel? So for the foreigners, foreign patrons must produce their passport and pay in foreign currencies. This is the notice for foreigners. So students, this is your listening skill. Now go to the reading skill. There is one passage about Jawaharlal Nehru's essay. So you have to read this passage and find the answer of this passage. Thank you.